Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer DeBona and I do business as That CAD Girl. That CAD Girl is a charter member of the original Carlson College, and we provide training and support for Carlson software, AutoCAD, and IntelliCAD. Thank you for watching. So for this example, I'm using Carlson 2020 on top of IntelliCAD, and I'd like to show you how to use IntelliCAD Explorer to copy content from one drawing to another. So I've got two drawings opened up here. This first one I'll click over. They're both empty in the model space. But this is just an empty new drawing that was started from Carlson's DWT file. And you can recognize just the layers that you typically get with that. The other drawing could be any other drawing. In this case, it's empty, but it has more content. For example, you can see the layout tabs. It does have some title blocks and borders drawn into the layout tabs. But this drawing has a lot more information in it. Maybe we would like to get some of the information from this drawing into this one. So we know how to W block, but if there's no entities in there, you don't have anything to select. So let me show you how to use IntelliCAD Explorer to do that. Some of you may not even realize you have a command called IntelliCAD Explorer because we're used to just going here and hovering and maybe using this button to go to our layer control. But if you go to layer control, you can see the title of this box is actually IntelliCAD Explorer. And even though we're used to using it just for our layer management, if you look at all of the different types of information or different content, you can see not just the layers that are in this particular drawing, but you can see the line types that are defined in that drawing. You can see the layouts. In the original Carlson DWT, it's only got one layout in the model. Really no blocks at all. Whereas the other drawing that I have open, it looks like it was started from one of the Carlson NCS layers templates. So we have all of these different layers for civil, for general, for survey that came from that template. Also in this drawing, we have a lot of extra line types. So beyond the standard AutoCAD line types, you've got a couple of text styles. There's all those layout tabs. Okay, there's a lot of block definitions. The drawing may not have these blocks inserted. They may not be visible or selectable, but they're defined in that drawing. So we can use IntelliCAD Explorer just to copy and paste from one drawing to the other. This can be really handy, particularly for layouts. So you can see here, this is the Carlson DWT, the drawing that was started from the Carlson DWT. It has no layouts, but we could go down here and select one or more, and then we can right click and we can just copy and paste right from IntelliCAD Explorer. And just like that, now in this other drawing, we have these layout tabs. We have these title blocks or these borders. We can do the same thing with blocks. So if we look up here and the drawing started from the Carlson DWT, there are no blocks. There are a bunch of blocks here. So maybe we just want to select them and we can copy and paste right from one drawing to the other so we have access. So the one limitation to IntelliCAD Explorer, you do have to have the drawings open in order to copy and paste the content from one to the other, but it's a pretty easy way to do it. So anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful and hope it saves you picks and clicks. Thanks for watching.